The Half Windsor Knot is a modest version of the Windsor knot. It produces a slightly smaller knot than the full Windsor, but it should still make you feel like a king. Now, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, hotshot, let's get tying. Drape the tie around your neck with the wide end lower than the skinny end. Adjust according to your height. Cross the wide end over the top of the skinny end to create a cross. Pull the wide end up through the neck loop from underneath. Pass it down towards the left side. Wrap it behind the knot and pull it towards the right. Then, cross it over the knot and pull towards the left. Pull it up through the neck loop from underneath. Push the wide end down through the loop you've created in the knot. Pull down on the wide end to tighten the knot. Slide the knot up towards your neck and adjust as you need. It's a versatile number that will produce a substantial dimple in the fabric, and because of its medium size, it'll suit a broad range of collar styles. Now that you look like a smoldering king, it's time to conquer that busy day at the office, my friend. Let it take you to the boardroom and your fancy events in the evening. For our full range of ties, check out OTAA.com. Now, smash that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.